Hey guys! Welcome for another video, and for today's topic I will show you how we did this epic wedding ring shot. Wanna know how we did this? Just keep watching and roll the intro. What's up everyone? Jubert Valmores here doing another video for all of you, and if you're new here, I am a travel, lifestyle, and wedding filmmaker, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and post notifications to get updated of our latest videos. For today's video, I will talk about one of the most important thing during a wedding and surely should be put on your wedding videos, and that is the wedding ring. I titled this video the best way to shoot a wedding ring because I just think that it's the best. Well, there's still a lot of wedding ring videos that you can see online nowadays, especially here in the Philippines, because for me, this country is the most creative when it comes to wedding videos. And if you're familiar with Same Day Edit or SDE, it started from this country, and that is thanks to Sir Jason Magbanua. He's the one who started this, I think 20 years ago, I'm not sure, 20 or 15. How are you, sir? Baka naman may mga gig ka dyan na pwede kaming makasama uli. This wedding ring shot may not be the best, but for me, it is very awesome to look and very creative. Like whenever I do this, the people's reaction during the reception area when the SDE or Same Day Edit is being played, their reactions are like, Did you see that? No. What the How did you do that? It is kinda, overreacting, but seriously, that's their reactions. I mean, if you guys don't know what Same Day Edit is or SDE, it is the after movie of the wedding that is being played at the reception program of the wedding. And yes, you heard it right. We can edit that fast. And with that very short amount of time. How can you even think of doing that kind of trick shot? Trick shot. Just read it here. Well, I will tell you, it is very easy to do. Kinda tricky, but surely you can do that kind of shot in just very short amount of time. So let's stop the talking and let's do it now. To do this shot, you will be needing 2 tripods, 1 light, 1 platform, camera and macro lens. We have the 100mm Canon 2.8, and of course, wedding rings. Okay, these are fake. We just got it today, and it looks very sad because it is not straight. Like, look at this. Wait. Obviously, you cannot see it from there. But, dude, how can you even sell this stuff? Step 1. Place the tripod and make sure it is balanced. Step 2. Place the platform at the top of the tripod. You can place a wedding invitations above the platform. Well, that's just an option, and in our case, we don't have any invitation right now. Step 4. This is the most tricky and most time-consuming part. Locate the centermost part of the tripod's center axis and place the engagement ring. In this way, when you rotate the tripod, the ring would still be at the center and focused. The best way to do this is to use a jewelry rotator. With it, you can easily point out the center axis. We used to have this, but it's not working anymore. So maybe we could put something. And what I am thinking is use a scotch tape. Step 5. Set up the light. I highly recommend you to place the light in the side for you to have a more dramatic and cinematic shot using those shadows. Make sure that you will use a light stand because you will be needing a stable light in doing this shot. Step 6. Set up your camera and set focus. I highly recommend for you to take this in 4K so that you could play around its resolution in editing. It's taking us a lot of time because there are a lot of adjustments, micro adjustments, and you need to be very careful. Step 7. Rotate the tripod heads clockwise twice or better 3 times just to make sure. After the rotation, just keep recording and remove the engagement ring. And make sure that this is the only thing that is moved. Other than this, especially the light, because it'll be very obvious when it comes to editing or the final output. Step 8. Rotate the tripod's head again with the same direction as the first one. Now we're finally done. And now let's go to the editing. Peace. Now let's try to edit this footage, and as you guys can see, we're only using the Zoom H1 for the audio recording because all of our batteries died. They're all dead. So first, let's make a sequence. Drag our files to our timeline. Since our clip is in 4K and our timeline is 1080p, we have to scale to frame size the clip. Trim the clip and choose an in and out. Do the same thing with the other clip, the with engagement ring. Make sure to have a 1 full rotation. Now the tricky part. Switch the 2 clips. Place the with the engagement ring in the left side and without the ring on the right side. In this part, you will have to choose a point where you want the engagement ring to appear. Trim or mark the clip where you want the ring to appear. After that, place the second clip above the first clip. And set the upper clip's opacity to 50% so that you could easily see if the 2 footage or the 2 clips are synced. Just drag the upper clip until it's synced with the lower clip. And now we'll have to move the upper clip frame by frame. And to do that, you will need to hold the Alt and then just move the arrow. And then boom, you got it. Once you're done, set the upper clip's opacity back to 100%. Highlight the 2 clips and press Ctrl plus D to put the effect cross dissolve, and let's see how this one goes. I color graded it and edited some part, like putting a blur effect in the part where the glue tack is obvious. This is just how you do it. You can actually put more decorations or anything or props or accessories in the sides, and it just depends on your creativity. And that's it for today's video, and again and again and again and again. I hope you learned a thing or two from watching this, and if you guys want to try doing this on your own, please do tag me on Instagram story or Instagram post or on your YouTube or Facebook. Please tag me and I'll check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you guys have questions, more questions, or if you have any suggestions for the next video, please leave a comment, or you could also message me on Instagram at @JubertValmores. And yeah, please don't forget to share it with your friends also. Thank you, bye, and peace. Yes, we're finally done!